Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $2.9650. Okay, and we have seen it is creating a U pattern and a level of 3.1806 is already being tested, and it has already made a high for this particular week at this level. Okay, if you look at this particular pattern, I have already explained you that if the price started going above a level of 2.8, we can see this pattern is supporting a further upside movement, and it has made a half around 3.2. If the price keep moving above this level, a probability of going towards 3.5 to a level of 3.6 we can see. And once started going above this level, because this level we have seen in the month of Jan 23 first week, so chances can be high a further upside we can see, and then from there this gap can be filled, which is at a level of 4.1 to a level of 4.3. Okay, we have seen after making a new high, it is continuously on the downside. If you look at the dollar index also, dollar index is continuously on a higher side, and it is also creating a similar pattern towards an upside. Okay, and you have to understand, looking at this particular chart, that the dollar index and natural gas are inversely related. Okay, but 2 days before, what was happening, that the dollar index was also moving upside as well as the natural gas. Okay, but they are mostly reversible. That means if it increases, dollar index increases, natural gas come down. Okay, and vice versa. So the uncertainty, in order to reduce that, you have to put your SL so that your capital can be saved. And once you start in profit, always try to trail the profit so that you can get more maximum number of trades and with a good profit. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, but if the price didn't sustain for dollar index, if it goes below a level of 105.7, or if it started going down, a probability of going further low we can see. But if it's sustained above a level of 105.7 and then to a level of 106, we can see the dollar index will go upside. But if started going below a level of 104 and goes below a level of 104.5, then a probability of moving dollar index we can see further low. So these are the two resistance and two supports which you have to understand looking at this particular chart, because as of now we have seen they are mostly reversible. Okay, and they are means they are, when the dollar index start going upside, the natural gas price coming down, and vice versa. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, so what we can see looking at this trade of natural gas now, see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can move towards a level of $3, and this $3 is already being weak, so chances are high it will cross a level of 3.2, and this level is also being tested here, so it will cross a level of $3.4 after crossing a level of 3.2, and can touch a level of 3.5 and 3.6, because the 3.5 and 3.6 is already being a weak resistance, as of you can see looking at this chart. Okay, and once started sustaining over 3.6, the gap of 4.1 to a level of 4.3, and this gap can be filled. Okay, and if the price keep moving over this level, a further upside. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of around 2.8 after crossing a level of $2.9, and once started falling below that level, probability of going towards 2.5 and then to a level of 2.4. And if started falling below that particular zone, chances of going towards a level of $2 also we can see. And if start fall below that level, a further fall. So you have to understand, once the price started falling below 2.8, we can see a level of 2.7, then to a level of 2.5, and if started going below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 2.2 we can see. And once started falling below $2.2, a probability of touching a level of 2.0526, and if that level didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards a level of 2, and once started falling below $2, we will see a level of around $1.85, and then it can go further low. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the